Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm using jdiction resin. It was 91.5 by accident just now when I took the thermometer out because I wasn't paying attention to the time. So I've got to hurry. My heater is kicking on, so it's going to be a little noisy. Sorry about that. Make sure you get all your bubbles out of the corners. And I have a little more resin in here than I want, so I need to get a little bit of it out. Two drops of etter art in this 20.17 grams. One, two. We'll get some colors in real quick and then I'll mix it up. I'm gonna do red by Resin. I'm gonna get these bubbles first though. Okay, red by Resin. We're gonna do some magenta by Resin. Sajili by Resin. That's pretty close to the red. The red's darker for sure. Okay, am I good on that? Let's get this mixed up real quick. Mix it around really well. Scrape your sides, then you want to scrape your stick. See that white on there? You want to try to incorporate that into the resin. Now after I mixed my resin, when I first mixed it up, part A and part B, mixed it for 3 to 5 minutes. Then I put it in the vacuum chamber for 5 to 7 minutes. Then when I noticed the bubbles weren't coming up anymore, I brought it over and set it on my counter. For another good 10 minutes or so, I watched it and watched the temperature climb. I had a meat thermometer sitting in the cup. And I don't have the temperature all the way down to the bottom. I just have the meat thermometer sticking in the resin about that much. So that's how I do it. Let's mix this up. Beautiful. I think if that stayed like that, that'd be sure pretty, wouldn't it? Blow this off and torch it. Torch in there if you want. Be careful you don't burn your piping bag. We're gonna twist this and tie it up. Cut the end off. Let's see how this looks. Okay. Figure 8. I was so busy staring at the first one, I forgot I'd do the figure 8 mid pattern. I think I did that last time I did this. And I almost did it that time too. Do you see why I don't have a lot of pressure on my bag? So it don't just fall out when I'm holding it like that. You know, I have control and I can put it where I want to put it. Let's go again. Whoopsie. Okay, now if you blobbed up, you can pull it down the line a little bit, you know what I mean? No, I'm not wiggling on purpose. I am shaking. Oh, I meant to pull these down before I made my... I'm gonna try not to disturb my hearts. Pulling straight through these though. I think I'll leave it at that. Okay guys, I'm gonna torch this. Let it bloom for a little while. I'm not gonna turn on the curing machine until after it blooms. That's just how I do it, and I don't want to mess nothing up, so I hope I didn't push that hard in doing that. You know, pulling that down, because I see the heart's pushed in a little bit. But it is what it is. All right, see you soon. Okay, guys. I put some black in here, just some black epoxy pigment, once resin. And I think I'm gonna add a little bit of some fuchsia. So to see what that looks like, I'm gonna put a little bit in a cup. Check it out first. Make sure I don't hate it. I'm glad I didn't put it all. It's pretty. It gives it a little purple. I don't know if you guys can see that. Purple hue. And I think I'll put that on the back of this little bloom I poured with the extra I had. So we'll put that on there. Yeah, it ended up kind of purple. All right, yeah, I don't want that color on the back of that one for sure. I'll just do black, period. Pretty though. I did not put it through the vacuum chamber, so I'll just torch it. Okay guys, I'm gonna put the lid on this and let it cure, and I'll see you in a little while. See you soon. Okay, let's check these out real quick. Look, when I put the back on, I had it sitting right on near here and it was blowing. And it like blew all the color off. It's like clear in that one section. Well, pretty goofy looking. Well, very pretty though. Just a squiggly one. Okay guys, let's check out these Valentine's Day colors. Beautiful. I think that looks beautiful. I love the hearts. Nice. I love it. I think it looks great. You guys like that? Valentine's Day is closer and closer. And you know, you don't have to take Valentine's Day as a bad thing. You know, it doesn't have to be a bad thing, even if you're alone, you know. Friends or family or, you know, anyone you visit with. You know, you can have a friend Valentine's Day, you know what I mean? So, yeah. All right, guys, I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you all later. Bye.